my channel. I'm your girl Mocha Mika, and this is your first time joining me. Mwah. Welcome. Thanks for joining me. If you like the video, please be sure to subscribe down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and join the family. Become part of the Rider team. If you're already a rider, thank you for riding. Thank you for riding, and welcome back. Finally making the grinder sub, y'all. The TikTok, viral grinder sandwich, grinder sub. Sorry, this little cheese melted. Had to get a little piece off it, mess with me. And so now it's time to dive in and see what it's hitting for. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut it. Okay. Top trying to get away there. Get over there. Alright, guys. Whew. This is what it's looking like. Let me get y'all a close view. Oh my gosh, this stew looks so good. I ain't gonna lie, I cannot wait to dive in. Alright, y'all, I'm starving, so we getting right into this, okay? Let's go. Y'all ready? Hold up, I'm trying to see how I can bite without making a big old mess and y'all see, Okay. Another bite, hold on. Definitely messy like I like it. I like it messy. I feel like the messier, the better tasting it is. Very good. I don't know, it basically tastes like a basic Italian hoagie to me. Just a nice, good, sloppy one. Ooh. Sorry for blocking. Monster sandwich. So great. One more. So sorry, guys. This is like going on. I will get better, and it's been a while. I'm a little rusty, but it ain't me. But my camera all this time, I thought it was recording, wasn't recording. After somebody called me, I guess it cut my camera off and wasn't recording. I thought it was. And I'm steady talking, chapping. Anyway, I was talking about the fact of me being excited. Long story short, me being excited about my middle daughter being now officially moved into her dorm and everything in college. And, talk about me, how I was a bittersweet, being nervous because she's, away from home, 2 hours away from home, but I know I feel safe. I feel good, comfortable where she's at about her school, and feel like she'll be safe there. And I'm excited for her to have these new experiences and learn all that good stuff. Can't believe all that time wasn't recording. So messy. But good. I like it messy. If y'all know, y'all know. All riders, I'm sure y'all have heard me say it before. My hair out my food. Out my way. So, first of all, it's grinder sub gets a thumbs up. 2 thumbs up for me. 2 thumbs up for me. Very good. It tastes like, like I thought it would. Basically, like an Italian hoagie. But it's just a nice little flip, a nice little way to flip it. And I never had Italian hoagie with the spicy cheese. What is it? Yeah. Pepper cheese. And then red crushed peppers in it. I don't know, maybe I didn't put enough. I don't really taste that spice, that little spice is supposed to give you, but that's okay. It basically tastes like a, good old sloppy Italian hoagie. But it's good though. Just wanted to try it though. I had to try it though when, you know, I seen it on the TikTok and everything. It was doing too good. I said, no, I got to I got to try this. If there's anybody who has a college student who, you know, you just had to move in to help move in and prepare for their dorm and all that stuff, please comment down below. Tell me how your experience was. Tell me if they moved in already, if they haven't moved, if they're about to move in, what school they go to maybe. Or just, you know, how you feel about it. You know, how was the journey for you? Was you excited, like, okay, good, let's go, rushing them out the house, like, get the heck out? Or was it a situation where, you know, bittersweet, where you're excited for them, but at the same time sad to see them go? Because, you know, you're used to being around all the time, you know, and it's like, when they're moving away from home, like, out to another city, it's like, dang, you ain't able to just be right to them right as fast as you might want to. But thank goodness she's not too far away. But still. But I'm excited for her, y'all. So anyway, comment down below. Let me know. Whatever. All right, y'all. I'm delusional. I'm full, actually. Messing around with that. It's very good. I'm not eat it all. But I know I ain't gonna be able to. Guys, what y'all been up to? Please comment down below. Let me know what y'all been up to with me. What's been going on in your lives? What exciting is going on in your life? Or if there ain't much going on, you can tell me that too. So with that being said, guys, thanks for joining me. Hope you tried. Let me know if you tried the Tinder. I keep wanting to say call it a I keep wanting to call it a Tinder sub. Grinder sub. I know it's one of them apps. Grinder sub. If you tried it, oh shoot. It's just, oh my gosh. First day back. Here we go. All these mess ups. If you've tried it before, please comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. If you did a little twist to it, your own little twist, whatever. Let me know. Let's talk. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for hanging in. Whoever's still hanging there in the video, I appreciate you. Mwah! Thank you. And please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Share the video with somebody, please. You know, it's time to get grinding, right? Time to get grinding. Anyway, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and remember,